Facebook ads course with AI. So friends, in Facebook ads till now we have practically taught you quite a lot of things. Things, for example, account creation, profile page, business portfolio account, meta business suite, many such things, and creating an ad account. But now we need to start creating ads. So for creating ads, we can't do that until we set up the payment and billing. Got it? We haven't put any money into it. We haven't set it up. So how are we going to run ads? And it's important to do this the first time. If you don't set up the payment and related things properly, you might face issues in the future like an error, payment not being added, or your ads might stop, ads not running, and many such problems can occur. So that's why you should learn properly whatever I'm teaching you. Don't miss anything, okay? So as you can see on my screen right now, I am logged into my Facebook. I have a page open. Now in my Facebook page, I will click on the Meta Business Suite option. And I came to Meta Business Suite account. So here you can see right here that the option is appearing below. So here we came in Meta Business Suite, and this Advert Manager option that you can see here, okay? Because in this, you will have to select an ad account, right? That in which ad account are you going to add the payment method? So the one that I have created, which is the ad account inside my business portfolio account, okay? The business portfolio. It's under the name Marketing Fundas business account. In that you can see the Marketing Fundas ad account, add one. So it's the name. We will click on it. Look here in my account, the ad account is active, its status is active. No payment method is set up here at all. So click here on add payment method. My country is India. If you're from India, select India. If it's another country, select that. Currency will be based on the country you select. Time zone is already selected by default. We'll click next. After clicking next here, it's showing us several options. You can add a debit credit card, you can set up UPI, or you can pay via net banking. Okay. Now, if you have received any ad credit here, so you can claim it. If it's not there, no problem. So here, if we set up the UPI here, okay, and click next. You know, UPI has become very easy these days. It's a quick system. You can add payments very fast. So here we added our UPI ID. Now over here, add business address, okay? So here we will enter Delhi. And then you need to enter GST details. Enter your GST details or PAN number, okay? So first you'll need to add the name. Like I will write Hitesh here. I've added my own name. The GST number is optional, PAN number is optional, but if you are a professional and if you are running an ad, understand very carefully what I'm about to tell you now. Don't miss anything. Look, if you are running a company yourself, then obviously you would be paying GST if you are in India. So if from a customer, let's say you take a fee, like sir, I will take rupees 20,000 for running your ads, and the amount spent on your ad in a month will be rupees 60,000. So when the customer gives you the bill, what will they give? They will give a bill of rupees 80,000 plus GST. So subtract 20,000 rupees, subtract its GST, but the 60,000 plus GST part, because you've already given bill to client. Now, if you are making a payment into the account there, then you will have to enter your details, so that you know in Facebook app when you are paying to the Facebook, you are running the ads there. So when Facebook generates a bill, it will generate it with your GST number. Now you've taken an 18% input from Facebook, right? And the customer has taken 18% input from your bill. People make mistakes here. Or else, if you are running ads for yourself, then it's a simple matter. You should enter your GST details and all here. So you will get an input for whatever you are spending on the ad and 18% charged on it. If you don't set these things like the GST number and all, then the GST will be deducted anyway. Okay. Now no one will get its benefit because GST number wasn't added, and 18% is not a small amount. If you are running an ad for 1 lakh rupees, then that's 18,000 rupees, which you could have taken as input credit or could be saved. That could have come back, but that rupees is gone. So this is what we do in our digital marketing agency. We handle billing for different clients and of our own. That's why we're telling you this. Okay. So setting up billing doesn't just mean that we taught you how to add a card or set up UPI. That is not the correct method. All right, friends. Advertising policy, yes, I am buying ads for business purposes, or no, I am not buying ads for business purposes. So you can choose first option that you are doing for business purposes and enter GST number, either your own or of your client. Okay, we've ticked this box that we are providing accurate information. We'll save it, but I haven't entered any information like GST PAN because I'm explaining you. But if I were doing this, then I would run this, all right. And the amount that you need to add here, for example, let's say I need to add 500 right now. So I will click on next here. So friends, in this way you can just click next, add your funds, and like this you can start your ads. All right. I didn't click next because I do not want to add funds, but that's the process. Now you do it through UPI or net banking or use your credit or debit card, but you need to add the funds like this and provide your billing details, country details, address and everything accurately so that you don't face any problem. So I hope you've understood this. And here you can see the payment transaction history. You can download bills and you can do all these things from here. So friends, please set up your billing so that later when I teach you how to run ads, you can practice well and learn properly. Thank you.